Okay, so just a quick video. It is the 7th of April 2026. I've just come across these tins in Asda. So on the bottom of them they say 2019 Pokemon made in China L24. I believe they're Kanto Power. I've got one just to see what's inside it. And yeah, there were loads of these. There were loads of tins just stacked up at the side of the Siggy counter. They're sealed all the way around. It's a bit of a gamble, but sometimes there's evolving skies in these. So I'm just going to cut it open and see what's inside, and hopefully we get something good. I'm cutting it without looking, cutting it behind the camera, which is not great, is it? So hoping for evolving skies. We have Charizard, an Obsidian Flames, and a Stellar Crown. So not bad, not great. £9, so you get what you pay for, don't you? So there we go, a little bit deflated, but still cool.